Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the trend of the price action from the 4 hours time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, October 25th. At 1:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news for euro related currency pairs, and also we have tentative news for Australian dollar related currency pairs. At 7:30 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. Here we have the daily time frame trend line or the resistance lines, and currently the price action is still trading below these resistance lines, which means that the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend in 4 hours time frame. Also, I've marked all the important resistance levels in 4 hours time frame and also important support level. Currently this level of 1614 is acting as a very strong support for the current price action, and we can notice that the price action has got rejected twice at this level of 1614, and if the price action doesn't manage to break this support level, we can expect it to forming into a double bottom pattern, which means that we can expect a bullish side retracement to start from this support level. But this level of 1730 is acting as a neck level for the double bottom pattern, which it has to break in order to get the confirmation on the formation of the double bottom pattern. And if it breaks this level, we can expect it to retrace to the resistance level of 1800. So when we look at the past price action also, it was forming into an head and shoulder pattern. Then it had completed its head and shoulder pattern, which means it retraced up to the support level of 1614, and it is on a bullish side trend reversal. But it couldn't break the resistance level of 1682, and currently we are noticing the price action to be trading on a sideways momentum within this resistance level and the support level. So within this 4 hours time frame, I would like to recommend you to draw a trend line or a resistance line in order to decide on your trade entry and exit. I'm connecting all the highs over here, and as long as the price action is trading below this green color resistance line, we can expect a bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. Currently also we have noticed it to test this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, and if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to retest this resistance level of 1682. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the previous trend in hourly time frame, it was trading on a bearish trend respecting this resistance line from the hourly time frame, and it has given a breakout, but it couldn't manage to break the 4 hours time frame resistance line. So we are seeing the current price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, and if the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to take support on this hourly time frame trend line or the support line, and only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side trend. This trend line will be acting as a support line for the future price action, and the current price action is trading between the higher time frame support level of 1614 and resistance level of 1682 on a sideways price action. And now we are noticing the price action to take support on this support level, and to make a sideways momentum, I would recommend you to draw trend line or support line to understand the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame also, and wait for the price action to break this trend line or the support line in order to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to bounce back from this support line in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement. But still you can notice that the price action is consolidating within this resistance and support line. Soon we can expect a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side. But the overall trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend because the current price action is trading below this resistance line from the daily time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1646 and resistance level of 1655. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1646, next level of support is going to be around 1639, 1631, 1620 and 1614. And only when the price action breaks the support level, which is from the daily time frame, we can expect the start of the bearish trend hourly time frame also. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1655, next level of resistance is going to be around 1671 and 1682. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, after testing the support level of 1614, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Again, we have noticed a price action to trend back on the bearish side retracement after testing the 4 hours time frame trend line or the resistance line. Currently, we are noticing the price action to take support on the hourly time frame trend line or the support line. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this support line if you want to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to properly bounce back from this support line, which means it has to break the previous high, then to enter into the bullish side retracement. And if the bullish side retracement continues, next level of resistance is again going to be the 4 hours time frame resistance line or the trend line. And only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish side retracement, and next level of resistance is going to be the level of 1682 from the daily time frame. And if the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a bearish side retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trying to break the resistance level of 1652, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1656, 1659, 1663 and 1670. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1648, next level of support is going to be around 1642, 1634, 1624 and 1614. And I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this support line from the hourly time frame in order to take trades on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1654 and support level of 1648. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1648, next level of support is going to be around 1644, 1640, 1637, 1633, 1627 and 1620. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1654, next level of resistance is going to be around 1658, 1665, and we have the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, which it has to break in order to continue trending on the bullish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and subscribe to my channel.